Hello everyone. If you are preparing for your OET writing test and you need to score grade B or higher, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll share some practical tips and tricks which will instantly improve your score if you are a healthcare professional who has to pass the exam in the first attempt. Let's get started. Tip 1. Understand the purpose of the letter. Here, the biggest mistake candidates make is that they do not know why they are actually writing this letter. Ask yourself two questions. First, who am I writing to? Second, why am I writing this letter? And along with this, you need to know what type of letter it is, whether it is a referral letter, discharge letter, transfer letter, or an advice letter. Once your purpose is clear, then half of your work is already done. Now, tip 2. Select, don't copy information. Here, remember this OET is not a copying test. You must always include all the relevant information and leave out all the unnecessary details. Now I'll give you a trick. Before writing, you need to quickly underline current condition, reason for writing, ongoing treatment, required action from the reader. So here you need to know that only include what the reader needs to know. Tip 3. Structure is a key to a high score. When you are writing a letter, you need to make a clear, well-organized structure. For that, you need to start your letter with an opening paragraph, where you will state what the purpose of the letter is. Then comes the body paragraph, where you will include all the relevant information logically. And finally, the closing paragraph, where you will mention the follow-up or the request. See, examiners love clarity and organization. Now, tip 4. Use formal professional language. Here, OET expects workplace language, not a casual language. And for that, I'll give you two examples. First example, instead of he got better, you can write it as his condition has improved. Second example, instead of I am writing about, you can write it as I am writing to refer. So here, you need to avoid short forms, informal words, and spoken English. Tip 5. Manage your time smartly. You have 45 minutes in total in your hand. Use them wisely. For the first 5 minutes, you need to read and make a plan how to write your letter. For the next 35 minutes, you need to write the letter according to that plan. And for the last 5 minutes, you need to proofread your letter. See, never skip proofreading. Even a small spelling mistake or even a small grammar errors can reduce your score. The final tip is you need to focus on your OET assessment criteria. OET examiners check 6 key areas: purpose, content, conciseness and clarity, genre and style, organizational layout, and language. Now I'll give you my final tip. If your purpose is clear from the first sentence itself, then it will automatically improve your score. So if you found this video helpful, you can use it in your next upcoming exam. Thank you for watching.